Fungi are a diverse kingdom of life. They are heterotrophic, absorbing nutrients through mycelium. With cell walls made of chitin, they are nature's recyclers. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms. Their cells contain a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. This makes them complex life forms. Fungi are non-photosynthetic. They are heterotrophic, obtaining food by absorbing nutrients from organic matter.
Their cell wall is made of chitin, unlike plants, which have cellulose cell walls.
The body of a fungus may look simple, but it consists of tiny thread-like structures called hyphae. Fungi may be unicellular, like yeast, or multicellular, such as mushrooms and molds. Fungi reproduce by spores, utilizing both asexual and complex sexual methods to ensure their survival. Most fungi are saprophytes, feeding on dead organic matter, while some are parasites, or symbionts, living in harmony. Fungi are remarkable organisms. To survive, they store food in two primary ways, as glycogen and as rich oil droplets.
Unlike animals, fungi are generally non-motile. This means they do not move from place to place. They remain rooted, absorbing nutrients from their surroundings. Fungi are the ecosystem's ultimate recyclers, vital nutrients back into the soil to fuel new life and maintain nature's delicate balance.
Fungi are classified into major groups: Chytridiomycota, Zygomycota, Ascomycota, Basidiomycota, and Deuteromycota.
Chytrids are mostly aquatic fungi. This example, Olomyces, shows their unique nature. They produce motile zoospores with flagella. This allows them to swim. Zygomycota, or conjugation fungi, are mostly terrestrial saprophytes. Examples include Mucor and Rhizopus, the common bread mold. They reproduce sexually by forming zygospores. Ascomycota, or sac fungi, is the largest phylum of fungi. Called ascospores inside microscopic, this diverse group includes Penicillium. Basidiomycota are the club fungi. They produce spores on club-shaped basidia. This group includes puffballs and bracket fungi. Examples are agaricus, rusts, and smuts.
Meet the Deuteromycota, the imperfect fungi. In this group, only asexual reproduction is known. A sexual stage is absent or not yet discovered. Examples include
Alternaria spores form long chains and can cause allergies. Trichoderma is a green fungus used in biocontrol. Fusarium produces boat-shaped spores that affect crops. Deuteromycota is no longer recognized. Many of its members have been reclassified after their sexual stages were discovered. They now belong to Ascomycota or Basidiomycota. Like how these amazing fungi glow? Then share the incredible network and subscribe for more sportacular wonders.